All right, good morning, guys. We are live and good to go. I'm going to let the Telegram know, and we're going to get started. I already got the chart marked up, so I'm going to break that down in a minute. JMO's going to be on here soon. Let me type something to the Telegram. Okay. Hope everyone's having a good day. Let me get the comments pulled up. Gonna put those on the screen too, and then we're gonna jump straight into the chart. So we're gonna wait for some people to get here, but I'll just start kind of breaking down what I've got in case some people come in and see the playback. But basically, I've got my higher time frame fair value gaps on here. Don't have anything really high in terms of like weekly or anything until like way down here, but we've got that marked up. We've had it marked up for like 2 weeks now. Daily fair value gaps, nothing. I'm looking for fresh liquidity, so I'm not looking for anything that's been tapped already. I'm looking for the New York Open to drive into fair value gaps or pools, obvious pools of liquidity that haven't been tapped yet. This is really the only near one on the daily that's already been tapped into. So nothing on the daily. 4 hour yesterday, that's kind of that fair value gap that we had marked up around 10 that played off perfectly in there, but it's already been taken now, right? So we don't have anything on the 4 hour and nothing really near, like except way down. Yeah, nothing near at all on the 4 hour in terms of fair value gaps. So we're stuck again with 1 hour and 15-minute fair value gaps, mainly 15-minute. But these 1 hour gaps, there's a gap right here. It's this line, and then a 1 hour gap way down here. It's this line. Basically, price is lining up those 1 hour and 15-minute gaps, and you're going to see this 15-minute gap here. We're playing into before the open. The open's not for 2 minutes. I don't want to consider this because I want liquidity to be taken after the open. I want 9:30 to drive to a pool of untouched liquidity, which is the nearest one. So this 15-minute, which there's a 1 hour one right here, which is super small, but it's basically the top of that 15-minute. And same thing here, we got a 1 hour there, which is the top of this 15-minute. So that's what I'm looking at for potential buys. And then if we don't get anything and price starts breaking down and there starts to be some bearish fair value gaps, we'll wait for it to pull back into that. What's up, Josh? Longs played out during 1050. Nice. I was talking to JMO too yesterday. Honestly, I want to start kind of going heavy on the auditions, and then just once I pass, scale back. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to take like 2 small scalps a day until I pass. And like, if I'm like, I was thinking about it, I'm like, I'm risking $36. You know what I mean? Once you pay the audition fee though, and you pay $150, it's like, let's scale back and try to like manage that account reasonably. But it's like, we're trading literally a $36 account right now. So I'm gonna try to put my foot on the gas, do these negative risk reward scalps, get past, and then scale back. JMO is here. What's up, brother?
What's up? Good morning. Sorry, I was so behind.
Oh, don't say sorry. You're good, man.
But we're here.
I got the coffee too, so I was doing that right when you texted me that too, but it was already made. I got a little bit of extra sleep last night, so I'm gonna have a little more energy. Yesterday I was just drained, and been waking up earlier, and this morning my alarm went off, and I just couldn't do it. I was like, I just need another hour, so I stayed there for a little bit.
I get that.
We got JMO's screen too. He's here.
Yeah, let's see. What do we got today? I saw we hit all-time highs again yesterday.
That was good.
And it looks like
you to see that.
Looks like this morning. I was looking at it last night, and like right after my move, it came down, and then.
Yeah, you got a good trail yesterday, right?
Yeah, that worked out very well.
So this purple background, this purple light in my room, and my purple shirt, I feel like it's making my face look purple.
Ever so slightly.
Yeah, it's all good though. I got a nice tropical tan. We got price tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. That's where the open's driving to though so far. And yeah, we're gonna kind of just see what happens now from here. I just telling the stream, I'm gonna kind of I up my contract size. I'm gonna just try to go heavy to pass, and then once I pass, I'm there. But I'm gonna take 2 trades a day, and that way I
Okay.
can pass in like 2.5 days, 5 trades or whatever.
Yeah.
And you got to think about it. Risking $36 every 2.5 days, it's not a bad thing, And then
No.
once we pay the activation fee, of course, I told him scale back, cut risk in half,
Yeah.
and try to get that payout.
Yeah, I want to get that first payout, and then if you have 5 accounts, you're fast. You don't need a crazy big wins because you got
No.
5 accounts.
Yeah, not at all. And the $150 minimum day and not having consistency, I mean, that's super, super dialed in. Let's see if we get a trade right here. We didn't yet, Josh. I do want to check out what you're talking about on that order block, but I'm going to wait until I'm not potentially getting in something. I don't think too. We got a little bit of time. Let me check. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're probably there's no fair value gap above. We're just going to be kind of going to more all-time highs.
Yeah.
Anything. But we're going to see if this is my first trade. We already tapped liquidity. We might be changing direction.
Wow.
Market's rocking, but
We're going. So you're looking for longs?
yeah, because we grabbed that bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute, but we don't have any opportunity just yet. Let's go really quick to what Josh was talking about, that 1 hour order block under Asia lows. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see. It's under Asia lows. Yeah, that hasn't been tapped because I was like, that's been tapped. That's like the Asia lows. It's been tapped. Now I see what you're talking about. That would be quite a way, but we're falling from all-time highs, so it's not impossible. Yeah, hopefully we get a different candle formation. This is the 4th candle playing into this fair value gap now. We did already get a reaction off of it. Hopefully that wasn't the one because we did come up here and take this, but we'll see.
And you're still
Candles have
targeting
still been
10
closing
points.
lower. What were you saying? My bad.
You're good. Are you still targeting 10 points?
Yeah, 10 points. Which isn't a big move here, so we can even match those highs.
Yeah.
Well, it's probably going to be a lot shorter than matching those highs. Yeah, which is fine. The quicker we can get in and out, the better. All right, I'm going to look to get in long if we close above here. I want candles to start changing directions. I got my OCO bracket on. Market. Maybe it will be matching those highs if we keep closing a little higher like this. I upped it from 17 to 23 contracts though, because I got a little bit more breathing room.
Oh, nice. 23. Okay.
Order
I'm in
filled.
long. I'm in long, boys. We're gonna see if we can't get this quick play here. A little bit slippage to the upside, but not the end of the world. This is our trade. Yeah, that's exactly our trade. Yeah, so that OCO bracket, it put it on pretty accurate
Yeah.
based on the entry. I think it did the same yesterday, but it felt like I got slipped a little, but I don't know if that was just commissions or whatever, because we're going heavy and for only a few points, 10 points. So the commissions are probably more pound for pound when you got it like heavier like that.
Yeah. So 10 points at 23. What's that? That's so it's like what, 500 and something?
10 points at 23. This should give us about a $400 trade.
Nice.
Order filled.
All right, boys.
Nice.
$442 trade.
There you go.
I'll look for my second one. I'm gonna try to take 2 a day. We're
Like
going to we're reviving this account from for last Friday.
You should give a
So
CPR. There we go.
This account's at 49,796. We're up about $800 for the month. The spotlight is on JMO right now. I'm gonna kind of reset.
Right.
A little bit more breathing room, so we're gonna up it again.
Let's see what happens.
You going to pickleball tonight?
No, I've got campaign. It's like a Bible study.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's better than pickleball. I gotta do some quick math really quick. I think we may be up into 30.
Dang.
Yeah, that's right. I'll take one more trade. I'm gonna just try to take 2 trades a day.
So 10 points would be at 30. That's close to 6. 10 points.
Okay, it started pulling back some.
600. I do like that candle. Let's see.
Negative R like this though, I did the math. You only have to win 80% of the time, which like that's not crazy for such small moves like this. You know, off of higher time frame liquidity pools.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm being unreasonable. I don't know. We still got about 7 minutes till that 15-minute orb sets.
Yeah. I like how this 5 is looking right now.
I'm just gonna clear my drawings and my chart. Not like the stuff that's been untouched, just the pool we just played off of. Gonna take it out because I don't want to play off it twice.
It's probably due.
What's up, Jake? Good morning, brother. Hope you have a good day, man. If you're popping up. So I think I cracked the code, JMO. We got half calf at the house now. So now I can have 2 cups of coffee still with half the headache.
For the price of 1. Oh, it's not bad.
So now I can actually have 4 cups of coffee for half the headache. That
There you
makes
go.
more sense.
That's awesome.
So I'm gonna pop my screen up. I don't see anything else, guys, for a little bit. Like I could probably, I mean, we probably are playing into some 5-minute fair value gap yet. I'm not really going to, since I'm going to be pretty aggressive trading negative versus reward, and I'm trading on a 1-minute just flip of candle directions. I'm not really wanting to throw on the 5-minute. I really want price to react off of 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily or weekly fair value gaps And if it's just not near there, it's not near there. But at this point right now, unless we, form another fair value gap up here in the next like 30 minutes or whatever, or we drive lower into one of these down here, I'm not really interested in taking it, because those 5-minute fair value gaps with the 1-minute entry, it's not fractal enough for it to be like, for me to be confident like that I can hit like a bunch of these in a row. I like the 15-minute and above. They seem to push a little bit always. This one today's pushing a little bit more, but you guys have seen like the past previous days, they're going at least 10 points. But I don't know about the 5-minute gaps because I just haven't, tried this with them. And I'm convinced that the higher the time frame, the better. Like on that one day last week, when I caught that drop when I was trailing and stuff, we were sitting in a 5-minute fair value gap, but we were playing off of a 1 hour above it. So the 5-minute got like obliterated just because the higher time frame overrode it. But I don't have anything near right now, so we'll wait until it gets a little bit lower. What are you looking for, Jama? Are you expecting it to go lower at all?
I think it will go lower. Like, it's just the last 5 minute filled this gap, so I'm thinking it will go down first. Chances are by the end of the day it probably will break this high, but I don't think that's happening yet. So I'm either looking for shorts or pullbacks.
It seems like every time we're sitting at all-time highs right before open, it just like doesn't want to do it until like what happened last night. Oh, I guess yesterday it didn't, but it did at like 2:30 p.m. So
Yeah.
it ran from it all morning and then eventually chopped its way back up there.
Yeah. And that's what I think I'm realizing is it needs more liquidity, so it's coming down a lot further than I think, like down at these levels perhaps, instead of just down to here.
Yeah, those are good levels. Those are solid levels there. You're on the 5-minute? Yeah. You could even see them clear on the 15 and the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Oh, we might have a 1 hour. I'm going to pop my screen up. We might have a 1 hour fair value gap form. This will be the closest gap we have in 15 minutes here. So we'll see. This isn't a thing yet. And then 4 hour, nothing's going to form at this candle close. That's one thing I have to kind of be super locked in with when we're trading, is like I have to pay attention to the clock and remember when candles close, there's potentially new gaps for me. But that's not there yet, but it will be soon, so we'll pay attention. I'll pass it back to you until we get closer to that.
We're gonna wait for this first 15 minutes to form and then gonna reevaluate.
Here we gotta put up a new banner because it's different than yesterday. You see it?
Yeah.
2 a day keeps the crash out away. We'll hide that.
Each day it just gets higher and higher until the crash out.
I won't be here tomorrow, but 3 a day. We'll be on Thursday.
The test is seeing how many a day before the crash out happens.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll give it one trade breathing room, basically full boarding until we get past, and we'll try to pass in like 2 or 3 days. And once we get the 50K account, we'll give ourselves that 2 trade breathing room. Like the chances of losing 2 trades in a row with -3 to 1, super low. Super low, and we'll be able to manage that account responsibly and try to build it up. I think with them you get, and I don't know if you've looked into this, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you get like 100% of your first 10K.
So you can take a max payout of $5,000.
Okay.
Yeah, up to $5,000, but you get 100% up to 10K. That is correct. but you just can't.
Oh,
You can't withdraw 10K right away unless you're at 20K. So you can withdraw 50% of your account.
okay.
Yeah.
If you have like 5K in it, you can withdraw the full 5K though.
I think only 2,500.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A little shady, but
Yeah. So, but you get all of that. So you don't. There's no fees on it.
gotcha.
But they
Okay.
basically do that. Well, their reasoning is so you have a cushion. You're not like,
So we get 50% of what we make.
yeah.
No, it's I get it, but I don't know how I didn't see that in the rules. I gotta look this up. But it's probably a build up for your live account too, or whatever. Let me see. Oh, it's either or. So, okay, let me see. You can take payouts daily and access it. Okay, that's a live funded account. Traders can request a payout of up to 5K or 50% of their account balance after accumulating 5 winning trading days per payout. So the way I read that is if you're above 5K, it's you can get up to 50%. So you'd want to be at like 12K to get like 6K.
Okay. Oh, that makes sense.
That makes more sense.
Yeah.
Because I mean, let me see though. I'm gonna read more. Yeah, it says or. If it said, yeah, that the word or means that. I'm like pretty
So
sure.
I've misunderstood that. That's way better.
I'm trying to see if they got some examples. Yeah, okay. It's you are eligible to withdraw up to 5K or 50% of the account balance per payout request. So it's probably once you withdraw 5K though, it's probably, I don't know. Yeah, there might be, it's probably a payout cap of like 5K, and then after that you withdraw 50% of it at a time.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm sure we'll find out when we get to that point,
Yeah.
whether we like it or not.
Yeah.
So it's weird wording.
Yeah.
Wish I had an example.
Either way, I'm honestly like I'm not too worried about it because either way, like the return on that is awesome.
Yeah, for sure. You know what? Let me go to it probably won't show me anything in the dashboard until we're in the live account, right?
Yeah.
It logged me out. So I guess, okay, well, even if it is just 50%, it's not like you don't get it. because you just have to hit for another 5 days or whatever. So it's like you get 5K, you withdraw 2,500, then you take the account again to, up 2,500. Then you could, I don't know. It's just probably, I'm trying to figure out how you get all the money out of the account you make though.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Haven't made it that far yet.
Yeah, I might be ahead of myself.
It's just a lot of chop right now.
That's one thing that Forex firms, I think, do better than futures firms is the whole payout process.
In what way?
Because it's just a lot simpler. It's like you just withdraw and you get your split.
Yeah, that is
Like
nuts.
you don't have to, it's not like you don't have to have, or you don't have to like get half of what you can't, like you don't have a limit on if you want to withdraw half of it. Like if you make 20K and your split's 90-10, you could withdraw the 20K and get 90% of it,
Yeah.
The Forex is a lot harder to trade sometimes too though.
Yeah, I haven't tried yet. Maybe one day.
It just, you're like automatically 90 or like 20 to 30% more profitable with futures just because of spreads and commissions though.
Wow.
Like that trade like you've got drawn on there on the 1 minute, that would never fly on like a Forex chart. You would enter that and stop would be hit because like spread.
Oh, wow.
Like, you would enter that negative on a Forex chart.
Oh, yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah, it's super hard. It's super hard to day trade. If you long term, like are holding like for bigger moves on the higher time frames, it's easier, but you can never get away with the 1 minute and doing like what we're doing right now on it.
Yeah. A lot of patience right now.
Are you waiting for like a breakout or something of this 15 minute?
Yeah, something.
It's still in the 5, isn't it?
Yeah, well, the 5 would be right there.
Oh, the 936 candle broke out of it.
Yeah, so it's still in that range, which maybe I'll just play that range for now.
We got VWAP the open.
Let's see.
Oh, that was, man, I'll keep it on. I don't know if it means the world to me, but I'll keep the VWAP on. We were above it when I took my trade earlier, which was probably good.
Yeah, see how we.
What's up, Maverick?
All this.
So you're probably right though. From what I saw, you probably get 50% up to 5K per withdrawal. So you probably got to get 10K or something.
Yeah. Okay. That's why I like having 5 accounts. Is you could have $1,000 on 5 accounts, and they.
Yeah. We're trading NQ right now. Both of us got NQ pulled up.
Yeah. One of my next back testing sessions, I might play around with gold futures.
Yeah, gold's a good asset to trade. I know a lot of people that trade it.
Okay, broke that 936 candle.
You might not be following suit with the previous days and actually pushing all-time highs again today.
Yeah.
I'm about to form this 1 hour fair value gap. 15 minute, nothing new. just this 1 hour is going to be the closest to us, I think, soon.
Yeah.
That's the VWAP we're above right now. I don't know why I have it drawn on. I don't really need it on, but I'll just keep it there for fun at this point. It has nothing to do with my edge.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people that trade the VWAP, though. They do pretty well.
I hear it thrown around a lot. Just the term. Thank you.
So I wonder if it's once you get 5 payouts total, you get called up to live, or if it's just 5 payouts on one single account.
I think, well, I can't speak on that. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. I want to say it's on one single account from what I read, but it might be total.
That's what my understanding is. And the other thing is, they say in there they could pull you up earlier.
Yeah. We are not close to anything right now. I'm going to go get some more half calf. I will be back.
Alrighty.
All right, we're back. No more coffee. I didn't realize that there was unmade. And I don't want to make some because it would have taken too long.
That's my issue. I'm almost done with mine.
But I do have these Neuromints. Have you ever heard of them?
Yeah. Yeah, those are actually awesome.
They got like L-theanine and stuff.
Yeah, I really like them.
1 mint is like a half cap anyway. It's like 40 milligrams.
Yeah, and it hits differently than coffee.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take the VWAP off.
Are you looking at another one?
I'm gonna take another trade. I want to take 2. That way I can like pass faster. Just do 2 a day. But I'm not looking at anything until we plunge a little lower. And there's nothing like really forming in terms of bearish fair value gaps higher right now, unless it's on the 5-minute, but I'm gonna wait for this hourly or 15-minute down here to get drove to. I really
These
do.
5-minute candles have just been massive wicks.
Yeah, even on the 15. I really do like this pool getting hit right here. And then we've got this pool down here, and then this pool down here. Those are really our pools right now, because those lows line up with these FVGs.
Yeah.
We'll see though.
I'd like to see any of those get tapped for a move up.
Yeah, I'll be looking for longs off them.
It's moving so slow this morning.
Yeah, it is moving slow. Oh, I'll be right back again. My bad. That's crazy. I had to run to the bathroom, and I was like freaking out because I had TradingView pulled up to make sure I was watching the chart. I almost had an entry. I was like, no.
Yeah. Getting close to this next level down here.
I'm gonna enter off of longs above, a candle direction switch now. I was like freaking out. I'm like running. It's like, it's about to happen. I thought this candle was gonna flip and give me an entry. I would have missed it.
This could be the pullback we needed.
We're gonna see. Nope, no candle close. I shall wait a little longer. We're off that 1 hour fair value gap that form too, though. And we
Oh,
took
yeah.
this pool. We took this pool right here. Really just makes that a thing.
I want to see if this is going to go down further before coming up.
This will be my second and last trade for the day. If we can get it to hit. If we can get it to close above.
Are you looking after that 1 minute gap?
Yeah, I'm gonna look for a long.
I like that.
Order filled.
All right, we're long.
Nice.
Not the best entry in the world, but not the worst. About 75 cents from where I wanted to be, but. All right, we'll see.
Oh, those are good candles. I think they could go.
We went from 17 to 23 to 30 contracts. Indices price action driving you crazy. It might be right where it needs to be though now, Josh. The sweep of that low right there and the 1 hour fair value gap. Just hope it didn't move up too much before we get any push higher, but
If it's a good push, it should break those previous highs there.
yeah, if that was a grab of liquidity, the next point of liquidity should grab's like up here, like you're saying.
Yeah. Let's see what it wants to do. It's be a really good 5 minute candle if that stays strong.
If we leave this fair value gap open, it's going to be even better because we inverted this one right here. And then we also created one right here. If we could leave it open, get that little 10 point tick higher, would be golden.
Are you getting some move there?
I wonder how much this 15 times. How many ticks is this really? 40. Should be like a $600 trade.
Yeah. 10 points at 30. Yeah. That should be right around 6.
It's gone about 4 points probably.
Just wondering what if it's gonna continue doing what it's done, where this will end up going lower first. I hope not, for your sake.
Yeah, me too. Because this account's kind of on the line. One break even GU trade and a win on gold. Oh, so you're green for the day. I feel like this trade feels like it's got more room to go than the first one did this morning.
Yeah.
Probably just moving more.
Order filled.
All right,
There you go. Nice.
$1,020 today, boys. The
Boom.
account's back in green. We're at 50,300.
There we go.
Gonna up to 45. Not today. Not today.
50 contracts.
We'll lock out all day.
Beautiful.
Yes, lock me out. Thank you, brother Josh. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, we locked out. We're locked out. I'm just gonna do 2 a day. 2 a day keeps the crash out a day. We'll put the banner up. That way everyone knows.
What we stick to.
2 a day keeps the crash out. So we're up. What are we up now for the month? For the month, we're up $1,420. This week, we're up most of that. That's from most of this week, 1,348.
Love it. Love it.
And then I won't be able to trade I won't be able to trade tomorrow, so I'll be back Thursday.
I'm gonna look for shorts at the top of this move.
And then we'll be at 34 micros on Thursday. That might be the highest we get because now I have the full $2,000 trailing back.
Yeah. Are you trying to keep it at a 2-trade loss, or?
I'll keep it at a 2-trade loss for the funded account.
Yeah.
While I'm in the audition, I'm just going to keep it at a 1-trade loss. That's why I was moving it up more and more today, is because I was getting some of that drawdown back.
Yeah.
But I was like, I'm just going to risk the whole drawdown and just treat that as like the what's it called? The $36 I paid.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to keep doing that until I pass. And then once I pass, move it to a 2-trade risk. That way it's like actually managing risk because I don't see myself losing 2 trades in a row like often. That way I can hang on to the account the times I do lose a trade. But just trying to basically risk it all until I pass. And then once I pay that activation fee, scale back, cut my risk in half.
I like it.
Because I was thinking about it too. It's like if I go too slow on the audition with negative risk to reward, this is different for you because I'm just going super negative. But if I go too slow and it takes too long on the audition as well, I'm going to get hit with that monthly subscription fee again. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Get that. All right. Is this the pullback?
That turns off when you're in the funded account, right?
The
monthly?
Yeah.
Cool. Did you have to do it in your dashboard? They did it automatically.
No, the whole account they close the evaluation account and open a funded.
So that's what turns it off?
Yeah.
Cool.
This might be the short.
Dude, this is crazy. I brought this account down negative $1,000 twice and brought it back.
It's pretty good.
I literally brought it to 49,000, then brought it back to 50,300. Then I brought it to 49,000 again, and now it's back to 50,300. This actually might be the highest I've ever been. Pretty cool. It is. So I haven't actually been much in profit until now. Now it's 373 in profit.
Now we are. There we go. I'm gonna let it come up a little bit. I'm gonna try shorts. That's over. That's not where I want my entry.
Just updating my journal and stuff. I'm not tracking day to day in my journal anymore. I'm just tracking like the monthly.
Okay. guys want to go to?
And then 2 trades a day, that's 10 a week, so I get a good sample. 10 trades a week, I like that.
That's a good point.
I'm gonna share my screen again. You gotta see this. Look at every single trade lately. I'm telling you, off these liquidity pools, it's just going a little bit for me and then turning. Same thing happened this morning with this one. If I was doing the same thing as last week, I would have got stopped out like right down here.
It's working out well though. Like it's just quick.
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna risk full drawdown in Audition and half drawdown in the what's it called, Funded, and I'm gonna see the ROI by the end of it. We'll see if it's positive. Really, we'll be able to tell, I think, after like first payout. Then you'll be able to see it because I'm recording how much I've spent on these accounts, and then I'm gonna see it like the payout. I'm expecting it to at least 20x it, like what I've spent.
I think that'd be a great ROI. Breaking that level, it is. Like that.
It's funny how like a little extra sleep will just give you so much more energy. Because like yesterday, I didn't even want to talk. I was so tired.
We feel good today. See that come up a little bit,
I even missed your trade yesterday, and you hit a home run.
That was a good trade. I like that trade. Today, I'm not loving what I've got.
Yeah, you made like 1.5% on that trade, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you crushed it.
I'd like to do the same thing. So if it comes up to that level, comes down. So choppy right now.
We've done, or you weren't there for one of the days, but we were on a 7-stream streak right now, and then tomorrow, unfortunately, it'll be cut, but we'll keep it going.
I like how we're doing it though. Fairly consistent.
Yeah, it's good to have you on here. It's a lot like better. Sometimes too, like when there's just like not a lot of people watching or whatever, and like there's no one talking in the chat too. It's like you don't know what to say or do.
I think this just made my trading cleaner.
Yeah, neither of us have crashed out since we've been streaming.
It's public humiliation.
Yeah.
done with that 5 minute? Yeah. Yeah.
Last week pre-market moved more like an actual market than the actual open.
Yeah. That's so true.
Yeah, I mean, even look at today, like price is just making clear structure, and then it's just like an absolute mess in here. Absolute mess. It's been like that the past few days though, even like where's
Yes.
9:30 yesterday? Oh yeah, look at it's making clear structure, and then like 9:30 comes and just mess. Absolute mess in here. That's why it makes it hard to go for positive versus reward trading this New York Open on NQ. It just makes it hard. It's a lower probability right now.
Yeah, it's tricky.
The only positive risk reward setup I've been like kind of eyeballing is basically this, and it's like, all right, so what happened this morning is open drove to this 15-minute gap. This is about the only like positive risk reward thing I'm seeing happen at open. Let me clear up this. But basically you would wait for price to push into a fair value gap or whatever, and then start reacting off of it. And then this is what I'm seeing consistently. That right here is an entry for the only positive RR trade I've been seeing.
Yeah.
Is if you re-enter at that reaction level right there, because it's just such an obvious trap.
Yeah.
But that's about the only like positive RR setup I would be even like seeing lately.
Yeah, but right now this is just choppy. I mean, it's you can definitely get moves in there, but it's just tricky.
I'd like the short idea too, because the same thing might even happen here. Where like, look at this as a reaction off this 1 hour gap. Price is probably targeting there. This is probably like where stops are. This is probably a trap. And then like I would say shortly after it gets there, you could probably even have another positive R.
Yeah, and that's what I was thinking the last time, and I missed that entry, but
it's what it did something similar to this yesterday, I think even.
Yeah, so that's kind of what I look like, is either catch that move or catch the move back to that move. So you can catch it either way, but not when I'm super hesitant.
Josh is saying the 1050 macro is going to be when this thing takes off.
That is actually, yeah, usually we're off the charts by then, but that when I go back and look.
Yeah, there's been very few days, I think maybe 1 or 2, where we've actually been on till 11.
Yeah.
Maybe just 1.
Yeah, usually don't need to.
The only reason I actually even identified this as being like a high positive RR setup is because Friday I was the one that's where my stops were. So the day you weren't here, I got dog walked by the market, and it was because of the same thing. It was literally trades off of, I would take the fair value gap first entry, like right in here, and I would be going for positive R with stop like there or whatever, like this, and just like it would come and take me out. And then the same thing here, I would get in off this one and it would come and take me out.
Yeah. I think that's the reason I'm so hesitant on my entries, because it could go either way in these ranges.
Yeah, like it's either going to respect that 1 hour fair value gap and go higher, or it's going to wipe it one more time.
Yeah. And that's where I'm like, well, I'm in the middle of this range here. I don't know. It really could go either way.
I think that's part of the reason too I've been using fair value gaps, is because it's like it takes out some of like it's so hard sometimes to read structure or ranges, or like there's a I know you probably agree, you have to have some level of like clarity and discretion
Yeah.
right now,
Yep.
which I was just not having for like the first 2 weeks we were trading again together. So that's why I was like, I'm only going to do fair value gaps because I can't figure that out. It's either there or it's not.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you kind of, the way I'm trading at the moment, I feel like it's like a little bit of a feeling, like it's not all mechanical.
Hey, but you're doing good with it. I mean, you're green.
That's true. That is true.
If my feelings were making me green, I'd still be using them, but I was getting significantly red. Significantly red.
All right, we'll see if it taps down here and then look for a reversal. Yeah, see, now that's the volume we need.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, wow. They might come down and tap this one. Go on, tap. Would have been a huge short. Let's see what it does.
Order filled.
That was kind of a bad entry.
I think it might be right on time. I had drawn it on too. I was
Okay.
like, I want to see.
We'll
see if
see.
what we were just talking about plays out.
Also going to target 1.5.
I don't think you could have got better longs right there. It's the same theory. It's just you just entered where everyone just got taken out, or their stops got taken out.
So let's see.
Dude, I like it, man. That's a sniper entry right there, I think.
I had it in my scope.
We're reclaiming that range that we just peaked out of, that we just took the stops.
There we go, let's push.
How many contracts you got on 20?
20, yeah.
Yeah, this is the one. I like it for you.
Thank you. Let's hope. Let's see. If we get to 10 points, I'll probably move my stop break even.
How many points are you going for right now? Like, what's your full TP?
30 points.
Okay.
See, full. Perfect. Okay.
This streaming software has been so nice.
It's so smooth.
It would have been a nightmare on OBS, which was the other one I was using.
This is it's so seamless. All right, new 5-minute candle. This could be good. Let's see it.
Yeah, 15-minute held that 1 hour fair value gap too, which is good. Sweep those that liquidity and held. Yeah, Josh, if you're still here, this could be that liquidity grab before that macro. Price could be chopping down here, and then that macro could be everything he needs to push it. That distribution. Oh, your realized P&L. You lost $7 already. Your commission. All right, JMO is red for the day so far.
Yeah, so
the only thing bad about this trade, like literally the only thing, is that it looks too good.
yeah. Oh, it's been kind of in it, like it kind of reversed. It's arguably could be in a downtrend.
Yeah, you're catching that distribution.
There we go. Keep pushing.
You gotta blow on the screen.
Yeah. Pump it up. All right, moving to break even. Keep pumping.
Up 1%.
Okay. Up 13 points. Don't come back down and push me up. Keep pushing. Oh, hopefully that wasn't a liquidity grab to go down. Uh-oh. I might have been too aggressive with my stop. Be the move. Yes. Be the move. Come on.
The whole chat's silent, waiting to see what happens. I'm like sweating for you on this one.
Seat right now. What are we at right now? 8 points. Okay. Oh, that's not a lot. My stop is so tight. Oh gosh. Yep, there we go.
I respect what you're doing. Honestly, I would have kicked my stop back out.
No, there's no point in doing that now. If I'll at least keep myself profitable somewhat. Okay, here we go. If we get to equilibrium here, that's pretty good.
I even think I think your take profit's conservative personally. I think it's going to what's that candle right there, the high around like 10-12. Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
I think that's where we're going.
Well, we can move it there and I'll trail. How about that? Keep pumping. Keep pumping. What was that?
We just inverted that fair value gap. The only thing left in the way on the 1 minute is that one fair value gap that we're tapping into right now, but I don't think that's we're reacting off of 1 hour gap and a liquidity grab that people already try to make off that 1 hour. I don't know.
Don't get stopped out. Don't do it. We're gonna get stopped. Oh. Yeah.
Order filled.
Oh no.
Oh, all right.
I held my breath. I had to breathe.
Let's reevaluate. All right. Still green for the day.
Yeah, you did. You did lock it in.
I should have just moved it higher. Base hits, that's what we got to remember. That's okay.
If that happens to you a few more times in a row, I can almost guarantee you're going to be going negative risk reward like me. Look, you push.
Look at that tanking. That's going to hit that level now.
You push that 10 points.
Yeah.
No, don't listen to me. But
it's got to hit that, and then let's reevaluate.
You did the right thing clearly right now. I mean, this is outcome bias, of course, but
Yeah.
you manage your risk.
Yeah.
You would have lost what, probably 1% on this if you didn't.
Yeah, I would have lost 800. I would have been back at where it was yesterday.
Oh yeah, so you're dialed.
That's good.
I'm over here like tempting you to like kick your stop loss back out.
Okay, we've hit that. All right, where to next? And that was my thinking. It was like the only thing is like it's kind of in a downtrend. That was a little pullback and a continuation.
This is another 1 hour and 15-minute gap at that same level that you had just hit.
Do I try along again? Let's see.
If you see the confirmation for it, I'm gonna paper trade it, but
It's a long way to the next kind of heavy target.
I'm locked out. This would technically be like the third potential setup for me yesterday, but I remember yesterday the third potential setup failed, so I'm gonna paper trade it, but take everything else off.
I like this candle right here, this 1 minute. How that's looking. Wow. I like that. I like that. That could be the bottom. Oh, it's coming.
Oh, that's what I was gonna do. I'm gonna start keeping track of these negative R trades just to see how profitable it is. Like, because on prop, it's gonna be profitable just because of like game theory.
Yeah.
But I wonder, like, I want to kind of keep track of just these negative R trades just to see if trading cash would be something I could do with it in the future.
All right, let's see. Do we try reverse it? Yeah. Do we? This 5 minute, we'll wait to see. I feel like we could get at least a move kind of back up to the base of this range.
Yeah, I'm paper trading it right now, but this would be the answer with the way I've been trading. I'll keep you updated because it's not anything real I'm doing right now. I already took my 2 trades for the day and I'm done.
Yeah.
Josh is saying wait for the macro.
Yeah. I kind of agree with Josh. The only other side is we got to get ready for work.
Yeah. The macro kind of goes into like after hours for us.
Yeah. But I like these candles. This is kind of good confirmation for me.
It switched directions. They're closing higher now, but let's see if that means anything.
We'll see. Oh, that one's pushing. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. This is that 10-point liquidity grab. It's a 15-minute too, but this is what a lot of people don't know. Yeah, this would have hit too. So this would have been the third 3 for 3. We were 2 for 2 on actual trades we took today, guys. Because I know there's some people in. There's like 11 people in here now. We took 2 of these trades today. This would have been the third one, but there's a 1 hour fair value gap that's really pinched in between this high right here and this low right here. But it happens to be the top of this 15-minute fair value gap. That was just fresh liquidity right there. That had just squeezed off of. That chain, that candle flip right there, it's super golden. Once those candles flip directions.
Let's see. Maybe it wants to keep going.
But I gotta record my actual trades. I don't think I'm even gonna record in my Notion right now the dollar P&L. I think I'm just gonna focus on my trade win rate, just so I have data for the cash account later on.
Yeah. I've been using TradeZella now for a month or so. I like it.
It's super clean. I
Yeah.
like that when you were showing it to me.
Yeah, it's cool. Like yesterday, I was just reviewing some of my trades, and kind of like my losses recently have just been bad trades, I think. Like based on kind of the data it's given me.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, because it kind of like breaks it down for you.
Yeah, like it shows you like the maximum profit you could have made at that trade and the maximum loss. And the last two losing trades, it was like 0 profit compared to the loss.
Oh, really?
It kind of showed I was just, I don't know, probably forcing a trade. This is really coming lower right now. Maybe these.
We could still pass this week, I think.
Yeah.
Trying to do the math. Maybe not. I don't know.
It's possible. You're taking 2 a day. If you do 1,000 a day the next 2 days, what are you at right now? 50.
50,300, but I think I might have to I'm trying to think, because I would be making $700 a trade, so I'd have to, unless I make $700 on the first trade, increase my drawdown to 2,700 on the second trade Thursday. Yeah, that's the only way that's gonna happen. We'll see. We'll do it. It'll make sense. It'll make sense when it makes sense.
Yeah. Yep. Gosh, what are we looking at now?
I think we've got a forever thumbnail too. Like, I think this is going to be an evergreen thumbnail we got going on.
I think it's great. It's a great look.
It's so funny. I love it. It took so long to make though. All right, we got 15 minutes left. I'll be right back while you look for your last setup for the day, and then we'll close out here soon.
All right.
All right.
All right. I still haven't taken another one yet.
You think you're going to today, or you're gonna call it a
I
day?
think if it taps this level here, I might look for a long.
Oh, I see that low over there.
Yeah. It's almost hit that twice now. Hard to say right now.
Yeah, if it respects it, it could be on the shift
Yeah,
of that trend.
Even that might be it. It's almost.
Josh is right though. It's such messy price action.
Yeah.
It's the open.
I do like how that candle's shaping up.
We're in that macro now too.
Yeah. I'm thinking I'll try one more set of longs. Where do we get in?
How many trades did I take yesterday? Was it one? Yeah, it was one. So I've only taken 3 of these negative R trades so far.
And you're 3 for 3?
Yeah.
Sweet.
My screen got really dark. Let's see.
Let's see if it tries to tap it again now. What? Come down to grab that. Okay, hit that one.
Oh yeah, that's a little deeper. That 30-minute order block. I don't think we're like downtrending though, and I'll tell you why. Because we formed no bearish fair value gaps on the 15-minute, so I think this is just a pullback.
Yeah, if you go to the 1 hour, it definitely looks just like a pullback.
Yeah. We still got 2 minutes even to pull back above this 1 hour gap.
Yeah, that just hit, came right back up.
Oh yeah, I saw that, Josh.
Oh, if it had happened quicker.
What are you looking for now?
Still longs.
What are you looking for to like enter?
I think I just want to see confirmation. So if it taps this level down here and then a good spike up, I would like that. It's 11
It's 11
a.m.
now. We'll stay for the rest of this macro, another 10, then we'll close out.
Yeah.
And then if you take any trades, we could update the stream on Thursday with what you did or whatnot.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. It was going crazy. Wick to that again.
Yeah, the only things I'm seeing down there, guys, is I see a 1 hour and 15 a little lower. But that's like below this part here. But that's kind of, yeah, I guess that hasn't been tapped yet, but you're working off of that mainly, I think.
Yeah. It might not get tapped.
There we go.
Well, we got a lot more action right now.
Yeah, I think it's because we're inside that macro too.
Yeah.
One final drive down and then back up. It might not be,
Let
might
it
not be a bad move.
Something around there would be awesome. Equal lows now. Broke them. Okay, stepped into that block. Will it come any lower? Is that the move? Well, okay.
Just tap that 15-minute and 1 hour fair value gap now.
Now pushing. Whoa.
side right now.
In that 15-minute gap.
50%. Yeah, it just hit 50% of the 15-minute, and it's filled the 1 hour.
Oh my gosh. That is moving.
It's that 15-minute order block.
Yeah, wow.
Oh, is it going for midnight open?
We just swept that
Oh yeah, we went. I think it went through midnight open.
straight through.
Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong midnight.
Is that my
No,
last
Oh yeah, we went through it.
my
We went
last
through
level I
midnight.
have?
I think I could turn at any point. I'm
Yeah.
gonna paper trade it too. See if there's any potential there.
Yeah. That was a 5-minute close. So if anything, we could get something here.
This would be like the 4th potential opportunity for a trade.
I think it hits this low. Maybe that's a reverse. Tapped it.
Melting.
It is just tanking.
I didn't take a single short today either.
Oh my gosh. What is this mark? What do I have marked up here? Oh, that was yesterday, yeah. My goodness. Wow.
Josh is looking for a setup too. We might have blew past your POI though. That's the thing about fair value gaps too, is you could trade them after they blow past them even on the 1 minute, because until they close past on that time frame that they were formed on, it could be just a wick through, you know?
Yeah.
The 1 hour. Oh yeah, that is what you said from the start, Josh. That 1 hour or OB down there. It's in it.
Mm.
It's definitely in it.
Wow. Yeah, that is so much more volume than open. Wow.
Yeah, he was right about that macro.
Yeah, dead on.
We're even back in the old 4 hour fair value gap, but that one had already been touched.
It's just hitting every previous level. One green candle. Wow.
That might be the one though.
It might be the one. Very well be the one.
Yeah, big time discount right now.
Wow, just melting.
The only other thing really on the charts like that I saw is a 15-minute fair value gap. Sitting deep, really deep. At 25,028.
What do you see there?
It's way to the left. Why's your chart look different? Oh yeah, no, down there. That gap right there.
Oh yeah.
That one's been left unopened.
Gee. I think I'll just call it for the day. Stay safe.
Alrighty. Yeah, that macro just finished too.
Yeah. Which could result in something. That's moving a lot. Maybe we play into this, huh?
Yeah, I want a paper. I'm probably gonna just check out this paper trade on this last one because it might have even a setup for how I would play off of these gaps that got taken, that liquidity. I'm just gonna paper trade it. If we close higher.
Yeah, let's see.
10 points right now is nothing. It's
Yeah,
literally a
I'll put that
2-second trade probably.
Yeah, that is moving. Close higher than that. I like that. We'll inverse that gap.
Alright, I'm in the paper trade. This would be the 4th trade today. $10 points is not much here. Why does it look like it's not at that candle? The first 3 won. I took 2 actual trades, and this would be the 4th paper trade, or the 2nd paper trade. The first paper trade won. So this is like 4th potential setup today. Technically not, though. It's a little after hours, but it's still the same edge. It's almost a good thing we've got that banner up. 2 a day keeps the crash out away. We're locked out. So this one might not make it.
Yeah.
Then again, it might.
It might. I'm not going to have FOMO though. I'm locking out.
You're locked out?
Locked out.
All right. Well,
I didn't lose anything today, so we're good.
we'll see how this paper trade plays out. Let's see if the edge goes 4 for 4. I still think it will. I think it'll get it. Mainly because of this. Mainly because it didn't close lower and it just sweeps liquidity right here. Yeah, it's going to get it for sure.
Oh yeah,
for sure. Yeah,
nice.
4 for 4. I just played out 4 for 4. We only took 2 of them actually though.
Look at that can. That would have been 30
Oh,
points.
this candle itself is 30 points right now, 1 minute,
Yeah, that's crazy.
which is 120 ticks.
Gee.
Nuts.
Might have to start sleeping in and get on the charts at 10:30.
Right.
That is crazy.
For what I'm doing though, this is perfect price action for me.
Yeah.
This mess right here is perfect for what I'm trying to do.
Wow. Might be the reversal. We'll come back tonight and see if we set new all-time highs.
Yeah. Oh. You're probably gonna trade tomorrow still?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we'll just give the boys an update with whatever you do if you want to on Thursday.
Yeah, we'll do.
All right.
Let's win. Josh
is in. I think I'm gonna skip open tomorrow. We'll just tune in for this macro. Yeah, I mean it's definitely moving a lot more. Even leading up to it, like 15 minutes before this macro, is just the market started dumping. But yeah, we're gonna sign out, boys. It's been a good one. We've got a good thing going. We've got 7 streams back, and we're just gonna keep the momentum going. We can't be back tomorrow, but Mamo's gonna trade, and then we'll be back Thursday.
Yeah. Pass this account. I think right now we're like neck and neck. I'm at 50.35, and you're at 3.7.
Yeah. So we're pretty much at the same account right now.
We're right here.
That's pretty cool.
I like it.
All right, we'll see if you're above or below by Thursday, because I'm going to be exactly the same. I'm not going to trade tomorrow.
I hope I'm green. I will be green.
We'll close out now. Father, we just come to you in the name of Jesus. I just thank you for today. I thank you for everything that you've done in our lives individually, and just bringing us together on these streams every day, and the work that you're doing in us. Father, we just pray that you just open our eyes to what you're trying to do in our lives today. We pray that you open our eyes to someone that we can speak to, someone we can talk to, encourage, and just help them keep going on this journey of life. We just love you, Father, and we just thank you for Jesus, and that he paid the price for all of us, and that we don't have to get it perfect because he got it perfect on our behalf, and just continue to reveal to us how much he loves us because of that. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
All right, Josh, and everyone, we will be back Thursday. Hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, we'll see you.
See ya.
See you, Jama. See you, Josh.
Cam.
See you, boys.